Are you struggling to find a job online? Sending applications into the void with no response? Here is the truth. LinkedIn is the platform where recruiters are actively looking for candidates just like you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use LinkedIn to find a job, even if you're a complete beginner. I will show you how to access 70% of job opportunities that never make it to official job boards. We'll cover how to optimize your profile, how to search for jobs on LinkedIn, and the exact networking strategies that get you noticed by recruiters. By the end of this video, you will know how to turn LinkedIn into your personal job hunting machine. Let's dive in. First things first, your LinkedIn profile is your digital resume, but even better, think of it as your 24/7 salesperson working for you even while you sleep. Here's what you need to fix right now. First, your profile photo. Use a clear professional headshot, not a group photo, not a vacation picture. Just you smiling, looking approachable. If you don't have one, take one with your phone against a plain wall. Good lighting, simple background, that does the job. Second, your headline. Here's the mistake most people make. They think this is just their job title. No. Instead of writing marketing graduates, write something like this: marketing graduate, digital marketing enthusiast, driving brand growth through social media. You see the difference? You are telling people what value you bring. Your about session. Here is where most people mess up. Don't write like a robot. Write like you're talking to a friend. Start with, I help companies ... I'm passionate about. Then share 2 to 3 key skills and what you're looking for. For example, I help companies build their online presence through creative social media strategies. I'm skilled in content creation, community management, and analytics. Currently seeking marketing roles where I can make an impact. Here's the thing, and stick with me because this is very important. Your profile is only step 1. The real magic happens when you start using LinkedIn strategically. I'll show you how in just a second, but first, let's talk about finding actual jobs. LinkedIn has over 20 million job postings at any given time. And here is how to cut through the noise. Step 1, click on Jobs at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Step 2, type in your job title like marketing coordinator or software developer or whatever you're looking for. 3, use the filters. This is very important. Filter by location, either remote, hybrid, or specific city that you want to work in. Experience level, entry, mid-level, or senior level. Then date posted. Choose past 24 hours or past week for fresh opportunities where you can be one of the first people that apply for the job. Choose also company size if that matters to you. Then remember to turn on job alerts. Click that little bell icon and LinkedIn will email you when new jobs matching your criteria are posted. You'll be one of the first applicants, which dramatically increases your chances. Now, here is an advanced tip most people miss, and this is huge. Not all jobs make it to the official job board. A lot of hiring managers post opportunities directly in their feed first, before it even goes live on the career page. So here is how to find these hidden gems. Go to LinkedIn search bar at the top. Type this exact phrase: marketing manager and jobs and remote. Make sure "and" is in all caps. That's important for the search to work properly. Then hit enter and boom, you will see actual job posts from real people, not just the standard job board listings. Now, here's the key. Click on post to filter for content, then sort by latest or past 24 hours. This shows you the freshest opportunities where you'll be one of the first applicants. But here is where you separate yourself from everyone else. Don't just apply, no. Comment on the post first. Something simple like, "This sounds like a great opportunity. Just applied. Excited to learn more about the role." Why does this work? Because when the hiring manager reviews applications later, they will see your name twice. Once in the comment section and once in the application pile. You are already more memorable than 99% of the other candidates. Visibility before application is a game changer. But here is what most people don't know. And this is where it gets really interesting. Applying through LinkedIn is not enough. You need to do something most job seekers skip entirely: the networking strategy that actually works. This is the part where LinkedIn becomes a job finding superpower. Networking. But don't worry, I'm not talking about awkward cold messages. I'm talking about strategic relationship building. Here is the exact process. Step 1, after you apply for a job, find the hiring manager or the recruiter. Go to the company's LinkedIn page, click people, and search for titles like hiring manager, recruiter, or talent acquisition. Step 2, send a connection request with a personalized note. Here is a template that works. "Hi, name. I recently applied for job title, role at your company, and I'm excited about this opportunity. I'd love to connect and learn more about the team. Looking forward to hearing from you." This is short, professional, and not pushy at all. 3, engage with their content before you even apply. Start liking and commenting thoughtfully on posts from people at your target companies. When they see your application later, your name will look very familiar. Psychology works in your favor here. Now, I know what you're thinking. Will this really make a difference? Yes! I've seen people land interviews just because they took 2 minutes to send a thoughtful message. I've landed a job myself through this process. But here is one more thing you need to know to seal the deal: boosting your visibility. Now, let's talk about making recruiters come to you. Because the best job opportunities, they are not always posted publicly. Number 1, turn on open to work. Click on your profile photo, select open to work, and then choose your preferences. You can make this visible to everyone or just recruiters. Either way, it signals you are in the market. 2, post content regularly. You don't need to be a LinkedIn influencer, no. Just share what you're learning about your industry. Share about industry news you find interesting. A simple update about your job search journey. For instance, I just completed a Google Analytics certification. I'm excited to apply these skills in my next marketing role. I'm open to opportunities. Simple, but opens the door for you. Number 3, use LinkedIn feature section. Pin your best work, portfolios, projects, or certifications at the top of your profile. Recruiters love seeing proof of your skills. Then 4th, Join LinkedIn groups in your industry. This is a goldmine territory. Jobs get shared in groups before they go public. Plus, you can network with people in your industry naturally. And here's the final piece that ties everything together: follow up and staying consistent. Here is the truth: finding a job on LinkedIn isn't a one-time thing, it's a daily habit. Spend 20 to 30 minutes every day applying to 3 to 5 jobs, sending 2 to 3 personalized connection requests, engaging with 5 to 10 posts from your target companies or industry leaders. Consistency beats intensity every single time. And when you get a response, whether it's a connection, acceptance, or interview invite, always follow up with a gratitude message. Thanks for connecting, or thank you for the opportunity to interview. It goes a long way in your favor. Remember, LinkedIn is a relationship platform disguised as a job board. Treat it that way, and you will stand out from 90% of the other applicants. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It tells YouTube it's valuable and shares it among people that really need this information. And if you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells for more career tips. Drop a comment and let me know your biggest challenge with searching for jobs on LinkedIn. I read every single one of them. And if you're considering tech jobs, here is the truth: AI engineers are in massive demand right now. And it's only going up as AI spreads into different industries, dictating the latest trends. The best part, you don't even need a certificate to get started. I outlined all the steps in this video. Go watch it now and learn how to land one of the best tech jobs in the industry today. I'll see you soon.